What if I told you there's a way to recreate the exact same AI character every single time without paying for super expensive fancy tools? I've created literally hundreds of consistent characters using this free method, and I still use it almost daily. For one thing, the secret's in the prompt, but not how you think. There's one trick that most people completely miss or don't know about, and this one mistake almost guarantees you'll lose consistency. But I'll show you a workaround to lock in a character and avoid the #1 mistake that ruins consistency. Let's get started. I've asked ChatGPT to help me create ideas for characters. Here's my prompt. Then I asked it to write more, changing only the actions. I'll save a prompt for you to model in the description area below. If you follow this process, you should do well. My best advice would be when making multiple images of the same character to keep the top 3 areas the same and only change the action you want the character to do. Now, I'll take all these prompts and create images with them using this amazing AI art generator. One of the hardest things to do whenever you're making anything with AI tools is maintaining consistency with your characters. Here's a pretty girl in her workout clothes exercising out in the park. Here's another image I made. Notice anything? What about how consistent the pictures are? So this is the same character doing very different things. Let me show you another one. Check this out. So very consistent. Normally, this is very, very hard to do, especially over multiple images. So let's look at another one. How about these? They are much more cartoony and would be perfect in a kid's illustration, storybook, video, presentation, whatever you're making. But they're all very consistent. Would you like to be able to make images like this yourself with one character and multiple actions? I've got a secret for you. I'm going to share it with you right now. Right now, I'm on a site called ImageFX by Google. It's one of the Google Labs tools. There's my ChatGPT prompt. I was very specific. Then this AI tool gave me exactly what I asked for. Here's a few more examples. So it's very, very good. If you were making a storybook or a video and you wanted your characters to look very similar in each scene, these would be perfect. Now let me show you a secret. If you come down here, look around, check this out. This icon is unlocked. Once you make an image you like, lock it. As soon as you do this, the seed is locked. So let's go back up here and make some changes. I'm gonna keep everything pretty much the same as is, except for what he's doing, the action. This time, he'll be holding a map. So the seed, the same as the other one. So it should look very similar. And look at that. There's the boy, and now he's holding a map. Here he is in another pose, and here's another, and here's another one. Nice. Notice how much these look alike. Okay, what do you think about that? Let's test one more. Now I'll use this guy. Not all of these are good, but 2 were really nice. So this time I'll keep the same prompt and I'll change up the action only. So now he is talking on the phone. Make sure it's locked here. Click create, and here we have it. Here's another angle. So these are great. And if you want to create something, a video, a book presentation, etc., and you want it to be consistent image-wise, this is definitely an AI tool I would use. And here's a secret. This is completely free, so keep it a secret if you can, right? So I hope this demonstration has helped you learn how powerful ImageFX is. Come in here and try it out for yourself. I think you'll like it.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.